Hey guys, I just wanted to highlight one of my first budget knives that I bought many years ago. Well, I wouldn't say many, maybe like 4 years ago, 5 years ago. But I think this is my first Ganzo knife. And I think I paid like $30 for it. And this is one of my favorite Ganzo knives right here. The 922, I believe. Yep, FH 922, D2 steel, G10 handle, but this knife just feels nice in the hand. Nice slicey blade. I love the blade shape. It just does something for me, that blade shape. And the handle, nothing fancy, but just fits nice. Goes in the pocket real nice. I actually like this pocket clip. But just a smooth, buttery smooth action, great detent. I mean, I couldn't fail this knife if I tried. It just flicks right open. Love this knife. One of my go-to pocket knives. I mean, still a decent budget steel. You know, D2s everywhere nowadays, but I mean, when D2 first came out, I mean, people thought that was like, oh my god, a D2 budget steel, holy cow, that's amazing. But, you know, now it's everywhere. But I really like this knife, and you can still find it on Amazon. But yeah, just wanted to highlight this one because I really love this knife. Like I said, very smooth. Just something about it. Thanks for watching.